Hello viewers, today I'm here in a 2009 Toyota Venza. This is my sister's car, and is claiming the AUX port does no longer work. She said she brought it to the dealer and they wanted a few $100s and they wouldn't guarantee the repair because they stated the radio itself could be malfunctioning. So since I'm on winter break here, I thought I'd take a look at it. So, to verify the complaint, got the iPod, and let's see if it works. CD. You see, it's not recognizing the AUX port. Let's see if I can move this around. So pretty obviously a mechanical failure of the 3.5mm jack there. Not even going to need to use the launch on this one. So let me look up a service manual on how to remove this and I'll get back to you. Okay, after some searching online, I found there's virtually no information on the Venza on how to remove the auxiliary audio jack. So what I did is I've removed the center bezel piece here. It's just pop fittings. And you're greeted with this complex, pretty non-serviceable part here. The manual wants you to remove this piece, but the only way to remove this piece here is removing this screw, a screw down here, and then 2 reversing screws. So pretty not doable. What I found is taking a long tip screwdriver, putting it in here, this port here for one of the tangs for this trim piece, and then pushing on the side clamp of the auxiliary audio jack. It will reach, and then finessing back here and pushing it forward. And this is the tab I was talking about. As you can see, some scratches from the screwdriver. So I'm just going to unplug it and then take it inside. So now I'm just going to apply some solder here on these pins. This one here is obviously broken. Now to reassemble, just push this back in until it's flush. And this, I know this is the driver's side because of the scratches from the screwdriver. So this AUX text should be facing downward. There we go, just reinstall. So pretty straightforward, just slide it in, take this panel here. Let's test it out. Let's plug in the iPod, see what happens. Pardon for the one-hand camera work. Looks like a success. So that's about it for this video. Hope this was helpful. Catch you in the next one.